Forget about ordinary luxury sport bikes. There is a hidden tier of the motorcycle world where standard money loses its meaning, and vehicles are treated as pure rolling art pieces for the ultra-wealthy. While the average enthusiast argues over brand names and top speed statistics, a few secret masterpieces have been engineered strictly for the elite. These are machines built for billionaires only, exotic hyperbikes so intensely exclusive that only 50 or fewer hand-selected people on the entire planet will ever be permitted to own them. They do not exist in regular showrooms. They are locked away inside high-security private mansion basements and mega-yacht garages. The first ghost machine you can actually look up right now is the breathtaking Aston Martin AMB 001 Pro. Born from a partnership between Aston Martin and Brough Superior, this track-only weapon is restricted to just 88 units globally. It is sculpted entirely from aerospace aluminum, carbon fiber, and titanium, pushing out a massive 225 horsepower from a dual overhead cam turbocharged V-twin engine. It features a laser-etched chemical badge that is 99.4% lighter than standard chrome plating. It looks less like a traditional motorcycle and more like a low-slung luxury fighter jet designed for the absolute richest collectors on Earth. The second masterpiece of pure exclusivity is the custom Ducati diavel for Bentley mulliner. Ducati built exactly 50 units of this ultra-premium model, and they were reserved strictly for existing clients of Bentley's legendary coach building division. Painted in a deep, customized scarab green lacquer, the body panels copy the aggressive lines of the seven-figure Bentley batur hypercar. It features carbon fiber air intakes, a handcrafted leather seat tailored to perfection, and customized forged rims finished in dark metallic gray. It is powered by the famous 1158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine, pumping out 168 horsepower with absolute mechanical smoothness. But if you want to talk about the absolute peak of billionaire luxury, nothing compares to the legendary Neiman Marcus limited edition fighter. Only 45 units of this mechanical sculpture were ever produced, making it one of the rarest machines in human history. It features a radical, naked chassis machined entirely out of single blocks of billet aluminum, giving it an industrial, futuristic appearance. It is powered by a massive, air-cooled V-twin engine that allows it to rocket past 300 km per hour. At public auctions, this exact bike has changed hands for an earth-shattering $11 million, turning it into a rolling financial asset rather than a simple vehicle. These three machines prove that when money becomes limitless, engineering transforms into absolute art. The question is, if you had $1 billion, which one would you park in your garage?